Dear viewers, today I am going to solve week 5 question number 2. Here we have to find GCD of two integers by using a recursive function. If your function should return -1 if the argument is other than positive number. So here already one interface is defined, and inside interface one method is defined, find GCD, having two arguments n1 and n2. So we have to simply create a class B which implements GCD. Here we have to define one method, public int find GCD intm, intn. Here I am declaring a variable diff for difference of m and n. In starting of this program, it's clearly written that if your argument is other than positive number, then we should return -1. So for this I am writing this condition: if m less than 0, then return -1. If n less than 0, then return -1. And I'm writing another condition for GCD: if m equals to 0, then simply return m n, and if n equals to 0, then return m. If both m and n are neither negative number and neither 0, that is greater than 0, then they will come in this else block. Here I will check if m less than n, then I will swap the value of m and n. For swapping, I will create temp variable and temp equal to m, then m barabar n, and n equals to temp. Then after swapping both m and n variable, I will calculate remainder if m%n. I check condition: if m%n equals to 0, then simply return n, else difference equal to m minus n. Then I will declare two variables, max equals to 0 and mean equals to 0. Then I will check if n greater than difference, means I have to calculate minimum and maximum from n and difference. So if n is greater than difference, then max will be n and mean will be difference. Else max equal to difference and mean equals to n. And finally I will return find GCD max mean. So this is our code. I'm going to compile. So as you can see, my all three test cases passed. So I'm going to submit my code. So as you can see, my private test case also passed. So this is the code. If you like my video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.